Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today we're making Yam Khai Dao, a fried egg salad that comes from Thailand. If you're thinking egg salad with mayonnaise, banish the thought. This salad is pungent and aromatic and spicy and really leafy. And it features a preparation of a fried egg that's really fun. Let's get started. There are several ingredients that give this dish a really particular flavor profile. First, there is the fish sauce, which you find in a lot of Thai dishes. Then there is the Thai chilies, which add the spiciness and a particular flavor to the salad. Then there are the leaves from celery. We've used regular celery. If you happen to be able to find Chinese or Asian celery, even better. Lime, cilantro, and then finally eggs, which we're going to fry up in super hot oil in a way that's really, really interesting. I'm going to start by making our dressing, and for that we're going to begin with our Thai chilies, otherwise known as bird's eye. They're green here, sometimes they can be a red as well, and they're pretty spicy, so we're going to chop them up very, very finely. There are seeds in here. You're not going to be able to get them out, so we're just going to go ahead and keep those in our dressing. Okay. Got that. We're going to add this to our bowl here. Next, we're going to add one fair size garlic clove. You can chop this up, but we're going to actually just use our trusty zester. Next, we have lime juice, that magic elixir of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we're going to mix this all up. The brown sugar dissolves pretty easily, but we're going to let this sit and dissolve. The flavors blend a little bit while we get our salad ingredients ready and then the eggs. For the salad, we'll start with a couple of cups of red leaf lettuce that we're just going to roughly tear up here. Next, we have some leaves from celery that we're going to chop very roughly. Add that. Next, some cilantro that we can chop up with the stems. Again, pretty roughly. Probably don't need all of that. We'll put maybe half. I'm going to take a couple of cucumbers. We have Persian cucumbers here. You can also use regular cucumbers. You want about a half cup worth, and we're going to cut them on a bias. And for the onion here, we're going to want to cut it the long way, like this. And finally, we want about a half cup of carrots, which we're going to slice thinly, and julienne. And now we're ready to fry our eggs. I've had the oil heating up here for a while. It's just about smoking, a little bit above 400 degrees. And I'm going to very gently put the egg in here so that it doesn't bubble too much. You can see the egg is foaming up. That's just the way I want it. And I'm going to start spooning oil, hot oil, over this. We can keep on cooking it on this side until the edges get nicely browned, and then we're going to flip it over and do the other side. The egg has gone for a total of about 3 minutes. It's nicely browned and crispy on both sides, and we'll go ahead and take it out here and let it rest on a paper towel. We're now ready to assemble our salad. You can see the eggs are crispy and puffy. We're just going to tamp them down a little bit to get rid of any excess oil. And they've cooled down a couple of minutes, so we can handle them now. We're going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. And you can see that the yolk turned out really the way it's supposed to. Cooked, but still a little bit soft, but not runny. Go ahead and add that to our salad and pour our dressing on top. And give it a quick toss. The smell right here is really heavenly. You can smell the fish sauce and the tang of the lime. Oh, can't wait to dig into this. There you have it. Thai fried egg salad. Enjoy.